Kelley Air Conditioning Services is king of the Gorilla deal. We have over 35 years experience servicing the Houston area's commercial, residential, and auto air conditioning needs. In this video, we'll share details about our full AC tune-up, as well as its unique warranty offerings. Servicing your air conditioning unit has just become easier with Kelley Air Conditioning Service. Keep your unit in peak efficiency with the full tune-up of your residential or commercial units. With Kelley Air Conditioning Service, we aim to save you money and provide an irresistible deal. How so? I'm so glad you asked. Here's how we plan to save you money. Scheduling regular tune-ups increases the likelihood of finding an issue before there's an issue. We look for small problems before they become costly big ones. And tuning up your unit will not only ensure your unit is running at optimum levels, but it also helps your monthly electric bill, since a unit running at peak condition uses less energy. And here is our irresistible deal. The King of Gorilla goes further than your average HVAC repair person. Not only will we inspect your unit wiring and electronic components and controls, we inspect your capacitors for leakage and rust. We inspect accessible ducts, your blower wheel, and coils. We measure airflow of the system. We check your condenser and filters. We measure the indoor and outdoor conditions. We check refrigerant levels and oil motors. We calibrate your thermostat and much more. We even offer computerized diagnostics. But Kelley Air Conditioning Service takes it a step further. With our full tune-up, we will put your unit back to manufacturer specifications, and passing units will receive 3 unique offers. The first is we will provide a warranty for your unit for up to 5 years. The second, you will also receive a service warranty for up to 5 years. And lastly, the third offer is we include a lifetime warranty on all replaced parts. With the King of Gorilla, servicing your AC unit has never been easier. Trade-ins are not exclusive to the auto industry, because with Kelley Air Conditioning Service, every dime you spend is transferable and can be applied to the future purchase of a new unit. This includes our trend air conditioning units. Call us today to learn how you can take advantage of these offers and to schedule your full tune-up. Kelley Air Conditioning Service is fully licensed, insured, and bonded company servicing our clients since 1973. We are ready to assist you on your commercial and residential projects. Call us today to schedule your service call.